So before I got this role, I actually thought of what might be Alma's backstory, bakit niya tinutulungan si JV. And I could relate it to my own life na I had really no one growing up and no one guiding me. And to be a kid without any support from anyone, it's such a lonely place to be, and I don't think that anyone deserves that. Kaya as much as possible, I try to be a guide to those who are feeling lost, especially at that age. Actually, madami na talaga akong mga kabataan, mga younger actors and actresses na naging ka-close ko. I think it's because yun nga, yung sa personal experience ko, siguro naamoy nila na pwede nila akong maging parang ate. It's actually a privilege for me to be someone that they look for whenever they need some help or they need some guidance or just a listening ear. To be that person, it makes me feel like I'm paying it forward. Hello, Shanella Torre here, gumaganap bilang Coach Alma sa Magpakailanman, Anak Kapalit ng Droga. Sana po ay panoorin nyo kami ngayong Sabado, 8:15 p.m. sa GMA.